Hey friend. Hey girl. So today we're gonna do a video on digital products. Yes, I know you all have been watching all the reels, saving all the reels to your favorites because you want to figure this thing out. Hey, and I'm here to help you figure it out. Yes, I'm gonna help you today figure out digital products because you see, hey, on your 30-minute lunch break, go make an ebook, go do this. You like how? How I'm gonna do all that? So let me just show you how you're gonna do all that. So I use Stan Store to offer my digital products. You can use Stan Store, Gumroad, you can use Beacon, you can use Etsy, whatever platform that you choose to offer your digital products. So let's just jump into it. So if you come to my Stan Store, I have all the digital products that I offer, and I've been messing with the prices, y'all. You may look at this tomorrow, the prices are totally different, but for training purposes, I went in and edited some stuff just for you. Right here, if you want to join the Stan Store for only $29 a month, it's a try. 14 days for free. You can play with Stan Store, take advantage of this 14-day free trial. If it doesn't work for you, hey, cancel it. If it does, stick with it. If you really like it, upgrade it for the $99 plan. Okay? So we're just going to jump right into it. Once you purchase your digital product, you're going to receive an email from whoever you purchased it from. And it's usually going to either be a PDF file or a link. So I'm just going to show you mine. So when my customers purchase their freebie, well, not purchase their freebie, but when they opt in for their freebie, they get a PDF file that states click here. And all you have to do at this point is just follow instructions. Okay, it says edit template. And you're gonna need Canva, whether you use the free or paid version, you're gonna need Canva. It's just loading. It's gonna ask you open this design in Canva app. Yes, please. Open. Okay. And your digital product is loading. Okay, so here's your digital product. Now, once you get your digital product, I just changed this. It was the Digital Empire, but I was doing it in a training session a little bit earlier. So once you get your digital product, you're just going to make it your own. Now, your colors are so important. Don't sleep on changing your brand colors. I want you to pick 3 to 5 different colors and stick with those colors no matter what kind of promotion you do, always stick to your brand colors. That's important because when people see pink, black, and white, I want them to think of Tyranzia J. When people see your colors, I want them to think of you. When you think of a red and white soda can, you automatically think of Coca-Cola because Coca-Cola has done such an amazing job branding their products. It's brand awareness. You want people to know who you are based on. Anytime they see pink, they need to think about me. Okay, so we're just going to edit this together. Okay, so it's the Digital Empire. Okay, and we're gonna change the font up on it. You want to make sure that your stuff is readable because you don't want any kind of confusion with your customers. You want to make sure it's readable. Okay, so say for instance you're not a pink girl like me. Your colors are not pink. You want to do blue. We're gonna do blue. We're gonna change this to white because we want to make sure they can read it. We want to also change your picture because that pink just don't match. So we're gonna go to edit, and I already typed woman typing wearing blue. We're going to use this one, and because the photo frame is here, all I have to do is hover over it. Guess what? Picture up to date. Now, if you want to put your picture in here, that's a photo frame. So the only thing I have to do is find a picture that I like. We're going to use my sister picture. We're just going to hover over the picture, and bam, you have it. Okay, there it is. Now it's yours. See that how easy that was? Now, I never say, hey, baddie, but I was just doing a training video right before I made this video. So I've been playing with it already today. I usually say, hey, friend. So I'm going to make it my own. Okay. And if you're not a pink girl like me, once again, we want to change this to your brand colors, which is blue. It's going to ask you to change all. So everywhere I have a blue heading, it's going to change it to blue instead of me just clicking on one by one. Work smarter, not harder, girl. Okay? So this is just your introduction. You will change anywhere you see my name or whoever you purchased it from. You will change it to make it your own. And it says, my name is Tyronzia, and I'm super passionate about seeing other people become bosses and win. Not only in the physical business industry, but on the digital side of business as well. And the other thing you want to do is make sure when you're doing your digital products, you make it your own. However you talk, that's how you should write. Make sure that it's right. But I'm saying you want your customers to feel your personality when they're reading your digital products. And same thing when your customer buy for their customers, they need to change it to make it their own so that their customers can feel their personality. Because we all know that people shop with people they know, like, and trust, right? So if you get my product and I'm saying like, hey girlie, you like, she never really says that. Who wrote this for her? Yeah, so you want to make it your own. And it's what is a done for you product, digital product. That's what's all covered in this here freebie that I give out to my customers when they give me their email address. So it says make money with digital products. What is a digital product? Online courses, membership, ebooks, guides, templates, printable, worksheet digital, art stockpile. What about journals? Yeah, what about journals? What about planners? That's all digital products. You can either offer it to your customer digitally or you can offer it where they can print it out. What about art stockpiles where t-shirt makers or crafters use? Yeah, I'm real big on art stock pictures. I'm really big on that. So also it is we show you the different steps, how to get started. So easy. I know it seems so complicated online, but it's very, very, very easy. And I'm going to help you every step of the way. So make sure you subscribe to this channel. Leave me a comment. You have a question, I'll get back to you. So step 1, find a done for you product with private label rights. When you receive those private label rights, you want to make sure you read through them because it pretty much tell you what you can and cannot do. Some of them tell you how much you have to charge. Like they give you a minimum and maximum amount that you have to charge. You want to make sure you stay in compliance with the rules set forth with the private label rights. Okay. Um, and another thing, if you know you're not a credit repair person, you're not a credit repair coach, why would you purchase a digital product by a credit repair coach? Okay, so whatever industry that you're in, you want to make sure your digital product is supported by the what you're already in. You want to make sure you offer something to your customers that you are passionate about and that you know something about, right? You can't educate someone on something you don't know anything about. Okay, so step 2, make it your own. We just did that. We went through it, updating things, the verbiage, the colors. Make it your own. Step 3, price your product. That's going to be covered in this for the most part, but some of in the private label rights, but some of them will tell you how much you can and can charge for it, and then some of them give you the right to just charge what you want for it. Because guess what? You're making it your own. You're adding value to it. So why not add a cost to it? So a lot of people right now, we're in the world where everyone will make 6 figures. But what's required to make 6 figures a year? $274 a day. Yeah, my battery finna go dead, but we gonna go ahead right on through here. Anyway, it says $274 a day is $100,000. There's your 6 figures. Figure it out. How many ebooks, how many journals, how many planners you have to sell at what price to get to your $274 a day. Figure that out on your own. Okay, step 4, put some system into place to drive traffic to your store. What am I doing now? I'm teaching you how to use digital products. But guess what you gotta do when you get through with this video? Probably go look for my Stan Store or someone's. So that's just a system in place to drive traffic to your store. When you make Facebook Reels, when you make TikTok videos, you're giving your customers a call to action. Tell them, hey, shop here, click here, purchase here, follow me here, right? You're putting system in place to drive traffic to your store. You're already on social media. Just tell your customers how to purchase your product. Okay? Step 5, watch the sales start coming in once you become consistent with your marketing. Now, that's where we all kind of drop the ball, consistency. If I go live every Monday at 10, and then for 4 Mondays straight, you don't see me, you don't hear from me, but you're used to watching my live, what are you going to do? Find somebody else to watch at 10 o'clock. And then when I pop back on the scene, guess what? You still watching, oh girl. Why? Because I went MIA for 3 weeks. Stay consistent. What people don't see, they forget about. Stay in your audience face. When you stay in their face, they're always going to think about you. Just like with your brand colors. When they see pink, black, and white, they think about me. When they see my lives, they think about me. Okay? So start bringing in $3,000 to $10,000 a month of passive income. You hear passive income, passive income, passive income. You know why it's so passive? Because right now, you're watching this YouTube video. But guess where I am? Who knows? I'm probably at a football game. I'm probably at drill with my unit. I'm probably laying on my mom's couch, laid up in my bed watching Law and Order. But guess what? You're watching my YouTube video. And you're going to purchase my digital product. And when you make that purchase, I'm going to be laying in my bed watching Law and Order. That's why it's passive, because you work on it one time. You promote it, promote it, promote it, promote it. But guess what? People are purchasing it while you're sleeping. That's why it's passive income. Okay? The goal is to live your life. You know, if you don't like butterflies, delete them off. It's so easy to use Canva. Look at this. And when you're doing your digital products, you want to make sure you keep like a digital mindset with it, because guess what? You want to just show your customers your laptop, your cell phone, because you need a digital device in order to sell your products. You need a device to sell your products. So look how I just did that. Look how easy that was. See, click here. There's my call to action. When you click here, you're going to go directly to my Stan Store. Also, you want to give your customers how to connect with you. Hey, send me an email. Connect with me. Connect at withtyronzia.com. Send me an email. I'll respond. Leave a comment on this YouTube video. I'll respond. You have any questions? I'll respond. But let me show you how to tie the knot. Once you have edited your digital product, you want to come right here to share. You want to make sure you do the collaboration link with anyone that has the link. Okay? Then you want to just copy the link. And then the only thing you do is copy your link to your PDF file, and you'll save it. And so when your customers come and click here, this is your PDF file. You add a link to it in Canva, save it as a PDF. They click here, they have access to your digital profile. And the only thing you do, let me see if I can do it right quick. Go to your Stan Store. You want to go to My Store. And you want to go to, just say this one, Digital Product Guide. You want to choose a little picture of it, whatever picture you want. But right here, product. You just simply upload your PDF. And I want to do, okay. Once I click publish, it's ready for you to go buy. Okay? It's ready for you to go buy. How easy was that? We just did this in less than 15 minutes. Now it's going to take you about 30 because I didn't update everything. I didn't edit everything. But it'll take you about 30 minutes to an hour to create a done-for-you product, make it your own. You know, of course, you want to read every line because you don't want to be selling and promoting something that you don't agree with. Okay? So make it your own. Use your own voice. Be yourself. People already know who you are anyway. Might as well be yourself. Can't fake it for long, baby. So just be yourself. Okay? You're gonna save that as a PDF page. You're gonna upload it to your platform, publish it, and then promote it. Okay? Too easy. You got any questions? Leave me a comment and I will do my best to answer it. If I can't, I'll find an answer for you. See you next time, girl.